Hello, this is Canon Vickery, and today we're going to be doing activity 5 in chapter 4 in our Windows Server class. So in this activity, we're going to be auditing folder access. And so for this activity, we're only going to be using our server 1. So we'll go ahead and I'm already logged into it as administrator. And so first thing we'll do is we'll go to our File Explorer. Go to our local disk, and here's this shared document that we created earlier. So we'll come to here, and we'll come to Properties, go to our Security tab, and then we'll go to Advanced. From here, we want to go to Auditing. Currently, there are no auditing entries, so we're going to go ahead and add one for this activity. So we're going to select a principal, and we are going to put in everyone. Check names. Okay. Our type is going to be I believe it's set to all. Yep, all. We're going to leave this to the default. Applies to this folder, subfolders, and files. So anything in our doc share 1, this audit's going to apply to. We're going to change our basic permissions to just have read, and that's it. Now we'll add a condition, changes from user to resource, and we only have, as it says here, we set this in an earlier chapter, our confidentiality condition. So that's the only one we have there. We'll leave those all the default, but we're going to put this to high, and then we'll hit OK. And that makes our auditing there. So we can go ahead and hit OK. OK again. Now we need to enable auditing with our group policy. So if we come here to our tools, we can go to our group policy management, our domain controllers, and we can right click this and create a group policy in this domain. Group policy object, my bad. Our name is going to be enable auditing. OK. And then we're going to edit it. So, under editing it, we're going to policies. We're going to go to software. Yeah, policies, Windows settings. To our security. To our, I'll expand this out so it's easier to see it, but to our local policies. To our audit policy. From here, we're going to go to our audit object access. We want to define these policy settings and audit these attempts as success and failure. Hit apply. And then we'll go. Hit OK. And we'll exit out of here. Exit out of this too. Now we're going to open up a command prompt. I'm going to put in GP update our group policy. And we'll give it a minute to do this while it updates the policy that we just adjusted in our server. It says it's been completed successfully. So exit out of that. And now we're going to go back into our File Explorer to that shared document that we made. So if we come to our doc share, we're just going to double click the My Doc. And then, so now that we've opened it and we had our audit in here, we're going to close back out of it. We're going to come to our event viewer to see the result that was made. So we're going to come to our Windows log, security. So in here, all of the events that happen on the computer are logged. Our audit failures and success, source, event ID, task category. For this one in particular, we're going to look for the event with an event ID 4663, which is right here. That was today at 12:51, 51 seconds. Yeah, so that's how you create the an audit in the folder, just or however it phrased it, auditing folder access, and it records it there when we go and open it up. And now for the final part of this activity, now that we've gone through and done that, it just has us remove this that we just created. So when you're done with this this group policy, you just right click this and you just click delete and it disables it. Go ahead and click OK to confirm it, and that'll be all for this activity. And I'll talk to you next time.